What if you are more than a physical body moving through space and time? What if beneath your skin, beneath your thoughts and emotions, there exists a luminous structure and intelligent field of awareness that has always been there, across ancient civilizations, mystical traditions, and modern consciousness research? One idea keeps resurfacing. The human being is not only biological, but energetic. Today, we're exploring what many traditions call the human light body, what it is, how it functions, and why remembering it may be essential for the next stage of human awakening. This is not fantasy, symbolism, or wishful thinking. It's a lived reality for mystics, meditators, and seekers across history, and increasingly, for ordinary people today. What is the light body? The light body is best understood as the subtle body of consciousness that exists alongside and within the physical form. It is not separate from the body, but interpenetrates it, shaping, informing, and sustaining it. Ancient yogic traditions called it the subtle body, structured through chakras and nadis. Taoist masters spoke of refining the energy body through internal alchemy. Christian mystics described the glorified body, radiant form born of divine union. Indigenous traditions spoke of spirit bodies that could travel, heal, and dream beyond space and time. Different languages, same realization. The light body is consciousness organized as energy. It is awareness with structure. It carries memory, intention, and intelligence beyond the brain. Where the physical body is dense and slow, the light body is fluid, responsive, and luminous. You don't create it, you remember it. Light body and consciousness. The light body is deeply responsive to consciousness itself. Every thought, emotion, belief, and perception leaves an imprint on this subtle field. Fear contracts it, presence stabilizes it, love coheres it. This is why ancient traditions placed so much emphasis on inner states rather than outer rituals. They understood that transformation begins not by changing the world, but by refining awareness. When consciousness becomes fragmented through trauma, chronic stress, or disconnection, the light body reflects this fragmentation. Often physical illness or emotional imbalance follows later. Healing, then, is not just physical repair, but energetic reintegration. Modern science is beginning to catch up. Research into biofields, heart coherence, and electromagnetic signaling suggests the body is regulated by fields of information. The mystics simply went further by experiencing these fields directly. Activation and awakening. Activating the light body is not about special powers. It's about alignment. As awareness shifts from constant mental identification to embodied presence, the light body naturally becomes more perceptible. People report sensations of warmth, vibration, expansion, or inner luminosity. Others describe a sense of being larger than the body, yet deeply grounded. This is what spiritual traditions call awakening, not escaping the body, but inhabiting it fully, consciously, and coherently. In the Gospel of Thomas, Jesus says, "When you know yourselves, then you will be known, and you will realize that you are children of the living Father." This knowing is not intellectual, it is embodied recognition. The light body awakens when consciousness remembers itself as more than form while still honoring form. Light body, death, and continuity. The light body also reframes how we understand death. Across near-death experiences, people consistently describe leaving the physical body and existing as light, awareness, or presence. They report clarity, peace, and continuity, not annihilation. Mystical traditions have long taught this. The light body is the vehicle of consciousness beyond physical death. The body dissolves, but awareness continues through a subtler form. This doesn't deny the importance of the physical life. It deepens it. When life is understood as part of a larger continuum, fear loosens its grip and meaning, becomes internal rather than imposed. Practices that strengthen the light body. You don't need elaborate techniques to engage the light body. What it responds to most is presence. Slow, conscious breathing stabilizes it. Stillness allows it to reorganize. Tension feeds it. Meditation, contemplative prayer, breathwork, sound, and mindful movement all work because they bring awareness back into coherence. Even simple practices, like sensing the body from within or resting attention in the heart, can strengthen the light body over time. One simple exercise. Sit quietly. Bring attention to the center of your chest. Breathe slowly. Imagine, not visualize, but sense a subtle brightness expanding with each breath. No effort, just noticing. The light body doesn't respond to force. It responds to intimacy. Why the light body matters. Now humanity is in a transition. Old systems based on fear, control, and fragmentation are breaking down. What replaces them won't come from ideology alone, but from a shift in consciousness. The light body represents a different way of being human, integrated, aware, embodied, and connected. Not spiritual escapism, but spiritual responsibility. To remember the light body is to remember that you are not broken, incomplete, or separate. You are consciousness experiencing itself through form. And when enough individuals remember this not as belief, but as lived reality, the world begins to reorganize accordingly. The light body isn't the future, it's the forgotten present.